Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create a quote and place an order programmatically in Magento 2 using core classes. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's get back to the video. For this video, I have prepared some demo data, which is used in creating a Magento order in this method. First, we need to load the customer by email. If the customer does not already exist, we will create a new customer. Then we will create an empty cart. With the help of the cart ID, we will get the quote and then assign the customer to this quote. Then we will add the product to the quote and add the shipping and billing address to the quote. Then we will set the shipping and payment methods for the quote. And then we'll collect all the totals here. Then we will place the order using cart management by passing the quote ID after placing the order. If we get the entity ID, that means our order has been placed. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvedesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvedesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.